Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It is Wednesday, June 26th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day here. Really disappointing trade into corn and beans once again, but really just looks like maybe traders taking a risk-off mentality coming into Friday's big crop report, which isn't surprising. It is a very big crop report. We are on a very big rally for both corn and soybeans, so it's not surprising that some people might say, hey, let's sit on the sidelines here, see how this trades itself out. We can always get back in. And so you're seeing that pressure come into these markets. Corn market finding support at that 454 level on D's corn. Once again, that seems to be a level of support that's held over the last couple kind of dips down, but nonetheless, corn market down about 4 cents on the day. Soybeans down 8 to 9 cents on the day. We are now 30 cents off the recent high for November soybeans. Hard to believe that you're already that far off the high, but you got that spike high and then have really just struggled since to extend itself. That's a big resistance level. You're waiting to see, and to be honest, beans probably have the most surprise to give, as USDA chose not to change numbers. Last report hinted at that they were going to change reports moving forward, but to be honest, how do you make a lot of changes when you still have about 15% of crop left to plant? And when they got final numbers, there was a lot of soybeans left to plant in the ground. So that's really the wild card here as you move forward, as far as will USDA give us any information, or will they punt the ball and say we're going to resurvey and give it at a later date? That's a big if into this market, and you're seeing some risk off trade right now when you look at that. Wheat market, however, finding some support, up 7 to 9 cents for Chicago wheat, and up anywhere from 2 to 4 into Minneapolis and Chicago, or in Kansas City. So finding that support there. Meat markets, big technical bounce when you look at feeder cattle, up 450 on the day, a lot of support there, and then live cattle getting a little bit of a boost here as well, up almost $1.50 on the day. Lean hogs, however, having a positive day yesterday, were not able to follow through with it today, trading mixed, close to steady on the day, so no big movements there. Outside markets all in the green, but pretty quiet. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching, export sales tomorrow. We're expecting these to be dismal for a while. We really probably have already started to ration our corn demand. We've outpriced ourselves on the world market, so it wouldn't be surprising that we see that. We did, however, get a private sale to unknown destination for soybeans this morning, so hopefully our export sales continue to keep better pace as far as beans go. Typically, we have very limited sales right now in beans, so if we can keep that a little bit above average, that will help offset some of that gap that we were at as far as export and inspections report. So we'll be watching that as well. And then Friday's a very big crop report. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.